To convert TON to USDT in Tonkeeper, start by opening the platform on your phone or desktop. From the home screen, click on the Swap option. At the top, select TON or TON coin if it's not already chosen. Then, at the bottom, set the Receive option to USDT, which is Tether USD. You can also search for it if you're having trouble finding it. Once you've set the swap to send TON and receive USDT, choose the amount you want to convert, such as 1 TON. You'll see the transaction details, including the blockchain fee and slippage, and you can proceed by clicking Continue. Next, swipe to confirm the transaction. Enter your Tonkeeper postcode, and wait for the transaction to be processed. After a short wait, typically around 20 seconds, you'll see the conversion take place, and your TON balance will decrease while your USDT balance increases. This process allows you to successfully convert TON to USDT on Tonkeeper.